Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 15th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened on Friday, the last session of the week. We only had one bit of data to come out. It was from the US. It was the PPI numbers, and that came in on forecast at 0.1%. The US dollar did have a negative day against most of the majors, particularly against our own Aussie dollar. That was more on the fact of a continuation of the sentiment from Chris Powell that the economy is slightly in turmoil and slightly negative feeling at the moment. So the US dollar lost a bit of ground against the majors. That was all the data that came out on Friday. So let us jump into our chart of the day. Incidentally, we had an Aussie Kiwi. It has not triggered as yet, so keep that one on your watch list. And we have an open position on the GBP USD. We are very, very close to target at the moment. We still haven't hit it, but the trade is well into the green. Let's see how that one plays out. But this morning, we have the Euro AUD on a daily timescale. Now, I haven't done one of these for a little while. If you go and have a look at this chart, you'll see that there is a head and shoulders pattern formed where this is one of the shoulders, the head, and the second shoulder. So what I've done is I've drawn in the neckline, which is basically the line that goes across joining this point and this point. And the way that you trade a head and shoulders pattern, for those of you who don't know, is we wait for a break of the neckline and then we trade it in a downward direction. How you wait for that break line is purely up to yourself. Some people will take it just as you break the line itself. That's a higher risk type entry, unless the one that I prefer is when we go down and we produce a nice bearish candle, kind of like this one, but in this area over here, that would be a solid entry as well. So if you've never traded this one, just watch it, just so that you can take it as a bit of learning experience. And let's see what happens with this one. Our chart of the day this morning is the Euro AUD on a daily timescale. Alright, what's coming up in the session which is about to kick off? Well, it's a Monday and there is nothing on the card for this session, so no major news. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.